Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to fix reconciliation discrepancies in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this, so let's just jump straight into the video. Now, the first step is to review the reconciliation discrepancy reports. On QuickBooks, just go to Reports and then search for reconciliation discrepancy. This shows transactions that were changed after your last reconciliation. Step 2 is to check for edited or deleted transaction. Now, if something was edited or removed, you can compare it with your bank statement and restore or correct it as needed. Step 3 is to look for duplicates or missing entries. Sometimes duplicates causes differences. Delete any extra entries or add missing transactions to match your bank records. Step 4 is to verify opening and ending balances. Make sure that the opening balance in QuickBooks matches the closing balance from your last reconciliation. Step 5 is to re-reconcile if needed. Now, if the discrepancy can't be fixed manually, you want to undo the reconciliation for that period and reconcile again from scratch. A pro tip is to always lock reconciled periods to prevent accidental changes in the future. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next one.